Astatic 200S, strip prime, powder coated, a canary yellow, white abalone knob on the bottom there for volume control. I got a red windscreen. This windscreen as well gets powder coated. I got a white silk one behind it. That's just cloth. But anyways, 332A adapter included. Check her out through the Meteor. I got the Ultimate Jam tracks. I got a harp here. S556. This thing is just smoking hot. Don't forget to check out some of my other harp mix. And as always, I want to thank you guys for stopping in.